it's the Crappy Gardener. Oh yes, the Crappy Gardener. Oh my, the Crappy Gardener. Crappy Gardener Show. Hello. Welcome to episode 2. It was going to be about robins, but actually I'm starting to get into the spring work, and I thought this episode could be about Zen and the art of crappy gardening. Because, over the winter, as you can see, I don't clean up the beds. Some people do, I don't. So if you look at this bed, it looks like crap. And it's kind of depressing because, frankly, I'm a very neat person, and I've come to the realization I'm never going to get this property under control. It's just going to always be messy. So I've sort of had a realization because I undid this bed and it's already making me feel better. And so I just decided I'm going to enter in to the spirit of Zen and simply garden for the sake of gardening, not to make everything completely neat. Because, if I had my way, I'd have a landscaper in and straighten everything up. Oh, there's the robin. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. Everybody's out cleaning up their properties. Anyway, about the robin. Robins are great. Gardeners know this. They keep you company in your solitary gardening. They can also be a pain in the ass too. I mean, sometimes I chase them away because you're sitting there going at you, and it's like, what do you want? Okay. Anyway, so one day I'm coming back to the house, and if you notice this little corner there, right here, okay, right here, I saw something jump up, and I went, oh Jesus, it's mice, right? Because it wasn't a chippy, he wasn't brown, and a chippy is for another day. But anyway, so, and then I hear noises going boop, 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 all through the siding, right? And I'm like, what the hell? So I follow it along, boop, 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 boop. And I'm going, oh, I'm gonna have to call the pest guy. I've obviously got a pest. So I'm standing here going, oh, geez, I gotta call somebody else now. And I'm thinking, oh, and I'm standing here sort of, oh, woe is me, not something else. And out of, I don't know if you can see right by the siding where the thing is, out flies all of a sudden a robin, which is crazy, right? He went from this corner, right? He went through all the siding, and then he flies out there, and like, I'm glad, because if he didn't get out, sad. Anyway, robins are always fun. Chippies are even better. Anyway, back to the salt mines. Actually, it is. I'm tired today. Anyway, that's the Crappy Gardener for today. Happy crappy gardening.